What's up, family? This is Sensei from Rethink Nation. Welcome to the channel where we talk about miles, money, and muscle. Today's video is really focusing a lot on protecting yourself on the social media, high-tech society that we live in. I recently got hacked, and I'm going to get right to the point. My YouTube channel, not the Rethink Nation YouTube channel. Rethink Nation is more like my play channel where I come and I have fun with you guys. I talk about anything I want to talk about. That's why I created Rethink Nation, to develop an audience of just like-minded people. The ones who don't like what I do, they go on to the other channels to what they love. But the true soldiers of Rethink Nation, those are the ones who know what this channel is about. So that's why I created this channel, to tap into my motorcycle community and just to be a part of it, right? But my business channel, the one that I make money from, that I promote and brand and has done multiple TV shows and wrote books on and done a lot of stuff, got hacked. So I'm going to share some stuff with you guys of what happened to me directly. I made a live video the other day, but the quality of that video was a little hacked up, jacked up. But for all my YouTubers or people who use technology to make payments or whatever, stay tuned, listen to what I'm saying, share in the video comment section if you have experienced anything that I'm talking about, because we've been scamming from back in the days. I mean, I remember with my mom, and I'm going to give you an idea how far we've come. I remember when my mother, some guys, you remember those white trucks, the white vans that used to drive around, they would sell technology and sell you like Sony TVs or VCRs for like a fraction of the cost, and by the time you get home, they done did a switcheroo and there's rocks inside of the frame. That was scams back in the days. And then now in India and Jamaica, people don't know that Jamaica have a large amount of scammers too. So people are scamming senior citizens out of their life savings, and the IRS is calling you. IRS never calls you. Okay, IRS don't call nobody, but they will call you and they will tell you information that sounds real. So scamming has been going on for a long time. So how did I get scammed? My channel has 287,000 subscribers. I say has because it's still going to be there. I'm still going to recover it. I know I'm going to recover it. I'm keeping the faith up nice and high, right? And as you can imagine, with 287,000 subscribers, which is considered small in comparison to people who have 15 million. Even 1 million is a small channel nowadays, but it's still a big channel. So every day on my emails, I get so many people, companies that reach out to promote their brand. Now, some of these companies, you can tell that they're definitely not real because of the grammatical errors. It's kind of like I wrote it. You know what I'm saying? I'm an author, but I'm not a writer. You understand? I could write my book, but don't ask me to edit my book for nothing. Okay? So you can see grammatical errors. For example, I got stuff from Sony, from Netflix. I got stuff from GoPro. You know, they will find things that they know will trigger some type of interest for you. So I read those things and I'm like, those are scams, 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 scams. Now, my channel is chairfitcamp.com, right? My channel, not the .com, that's my website, but CHAIR, not CHEER, chair. The chair you sit on. I teach people how to get fit and how to get healthy. So now I'm looking through some of these products and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to start to bring my channel up to 300,000 subscribers before January 15th. I had everything mapped out. I had it all situated. Posting more videos, more lives, doing more stories. And I'm going to share some stuff with you guys in this video also who's looking to grow your channel, because there's a lot of little secrets to this, okay? So now I'm going through the emails. This one company reached out to me and was saying they have, computer Ryzen desk. Where I'm sitting at right now is a Ryzen desk, but I needed another one for another space for my wife. Plus, I was getting ready to shoot an entire series called Desk-A-Size for office workers, people who work at the office where you can work out from your desk, right? So, perfect. So now I reach out to the company. I inquired more. It was supposed to be a paid situation. The company sent me the files to download, which is a PDF file. I'm not thinking nothing about it because that's what the process is. Anyway, you want to see the company's privacy policies. You want to see their agreements, what contracts they're offering, and you get a chance to give your offer. Hey, man, I'm gonna need $5,000 to promote your brand. So no big deal. I'm not thinking nothing about it. Now, I did that. I'm in the midst of editing my video, and when I clicked the link and inputted the password that was sent by the company, I noticed that nothing happened. And you know what you do when nothing happens. What do you do when nothing happens? You keep on pressing the damn button, like, what the hell? But immediately I felt like I got caught. Now, to what extent I got caught, I don't know. But I knew that something was wrong. And then this freaking browser thing just kept on popping up. It kept on popping up. Boom, 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 disappearing. I'm trying to, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? It's kind of like me riding my Harley Davidson and I see the Harley symbol change into an Indian or a Honda. Or I'm like, what the hell is this? No disrespect to your motorcycles. I'm just saying, it's like changes. Like, where did this change come from? Okay, so now I'm like, oh boy, let me go to my YouTube channel. I go to my YouTube channel. Everything looks all right. But I knew that everything wasn't all right because it just felt like something was going on in the back end. It felt weird. So now I'm listening to Spirit. Spirit is like, yep, you done messed up now, buddy. All right. So let the horror show begin. Let the horror show begin. Okay. So now I'm talking to my mom on the phone and I'm looking, I'm like, yo, mom. Yep. She's like, yes, praise God. Praise God. We're going to make sure it works good. I said, yeah, the YouTube channel completely disappeared. Guess what happened? Tesla. They changed my logo to a Tesla logo. They installed a Trump and Kamala thumbnail. And then as I'm scrolling down, I'm seeing a whole bunch of Tesla stuff. So now I'm sitting back like all these years of the work that I put in, what the hell is gone? I felt like crap. Okay. I felt like crap. And I had to dig deep into Spirit, man. I had to dig deep into Spirit and just know that everything will be okay and everything is for a reason. I'm a big believer in that. Everything is for a reason. Whatever the Most High says needs to happen, it needs to happen. And that's it. I'm not complaining no more. Now I'm trying to recover the email address. You can't recover the email address. They removed every single way that you can do the two-step authentication from Google, which Google needs to work on that because I don't know how the hell these guys was able to do that so quickly with this master Google company. So now it's been, let me see, today's the 5th. It's been 6 days since I've been hacked. And Google has been playing games with sending me these emails. I had to go to my domain and input this DNS record so they can see that I'm the owner of cheerfitcamp.com and donovangreenfitness.com because I got jacked by 2 emails. So now I have no access. So once you don't have the access, you cannot, I repeat, you cannot contact YouTube because YouTube is operated and ran by Google, the 2 biggest search engines in the world, if you don't know that. So you have to recover your email address, and every step that Google tells you to do to recover, these damn hackers cover their tracks so well that you cannot access anything. There is no codes to input. You can't input the eight codes. There's no phone numbers because they changed that out. There's no way. So you have to go through the DNS and hope and pray that that is not the hackers as well, and you're not giving up information. So what am I learning from this? I ain't going to click nothing. If you have a YouTube channel, yes, we're here to make money. My YouTube channel is for business. I make a living from my business, right? But I'm no longer clicking anything. I'm not opening anything. I don't care how enticing it looks. I don't care what company it's from. I am no longer doing that. And I'm going to stick to what I normally did, which was promote my own brand, have my own products, and sell my own stuff. Okay? Because, you know, you're producing stuff for these companies and they're giving you 10%, maybe 20%. Some companies might go as far as say, hey man, we give you 50% of the sales. But nah, no thank you. You got a YouTube channel, rethink your strategy. Okay, so what I did now, I started a new YouTube channel. My YouTube channel now is up to 700 something subscribers. I'm almost at 1,000 already. And I started a channel on the 31st, the same night that I got hacked. And I'm almost up to 1,000 subscribers already, which gives you an idea that people are really loving the stuff that I was sharing, and they went out their way to look for me. Now, here's what I did. And this is where you guys can start to think about your strategy. Think about why you're on YouTube. Some of you are on YouTube just because you want to ride a bike and have fun. And some of you are on YouTube because you want to make money and you want to become financially free. We all want to be financially free. At least I know I do. So I gave it more thoughts, created a YouTube channel. I'm uploading a lot of the older videos that people love. But then I'm realizing, wait a minute, why am I doing that? Why am I giving YouTube all of my time and energy again just for the same thing to happen again? Because they could always catch you. There's no way from hiding from these hackers. They're very slick. They're smart. So then I'm saying, and then YouTube pays us. Got this damn thing on my lip. The hell? Damn black people. The hell is wrong with us? Chap lips. Yo, white people, y'all get these chap lips? Guess what? Maybe that's why Diddy had baby oil, but I got Vaseline. Yeah. Hey, man, if you can't laugh in life, then don't. That's it. All right. So, YouTube pays us scrap change. For example, 287,000 subscribers. People come back to the channel. I would generate about 35 to 4,500 a month. I should be generating at least $10,000 to $20,000 a month. Okay. People who have 500,000 subscribers to 1 million is generating maybe $5,000 to $8,000 a month. To you guys, that might sound like a lot of money, but it's not, because you got to pay the taxes, and then you're putting in hours and hours of work. So I'm saying to myself, then I don't want to do that again. I'm going to still promote the channel, the new channel. I'm going to give people some content, but I'm going to be stingy with my content. I decided to, instead of waiting to be monetized again, like a lot of YouTubers are going after to be monetized, I'm like, why the hell do I need to wait to be monetized and make the money back that I lost already? No, I'm going to encourage my clients, my subscribers, to become clients, right? And how did I do that? Well, one thing that I did was I made a video. Okay, I titled it, I'm not going to let YouTube control the narrative anymore, something like that. I forgot the exact title. But I encourage people to use a coupon code, which is still here, right? And it's $10 a month now. Instead of $14.99, you save $5. So it's now $10. And you're going to get access to all of the quality content that you no longer see on YouTube. And I'm no longer giving YouTube my life anymore. Guess what? Within 24 hours, I already generated $200 extra per month from the 20 people who took advantage of the $10. So I'm generating money without having to wait for YouTube to monetize me, because that monetization crap to me is just like, it's crumb change. And if YouTube were to go down right now, a lot of you guys who have YouTube don't know where to go. You're like, wait a minute, what am I going to do? So here's my encouragement for you, right? Make your website. Make an external website with an email address where people can actually log in. I have a Ride Fit Nation website that I haven't put out live yet, but I have a beautiful website that was made, coded, dope website, okay? But for all of you who's trying to become financially free, if YouTube were to crash or demonetize your channel, because they're doing that a lot, what are you going to do? How are you going to contact your audience? So make sure to create something that you can generate income externally. You're in a motorcycle channel, make some gloves, get some t-shirts, make a hat, the Ride Fit Nation hat, Ride Fit Nation t-shirt, the Ride Fit Nation gloves. Make things that riders will love to have and sell them. Now, when I decided to make Ride Fit Nation more of a business platform as well, then I'm going to start doing all of that. But like I said in the beginning, Ride Fit Nation is more like a fun thing for me. It's at 10,000 subscribers. Naturally, didn't have to buy anything. But right now, I'm doing what I'm doing on my bigger channel because that channel has to grow and my income has to grow. So be careful of anything that you do on the social media stuff, because they know how to get you on the internet. Log out of everything that you go on your desktop. Don't leave them open. When you finish every night, erase, delete the cache, delete all of that. Remove that stuff. All right. So I hope you find this video helpful. This is Sensei telling you, we out here. Let's get these miles. Let's get this money. Let's get the muscles. And a lot of y'all not going to ride in the winter, so you can still get the muscle and you can still get the money. All right. I'm out. Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. I want to know how you're doing on this content. Peace.